Someone was asking me recently, am I always going to go to court? The answer is you don't have to go to court if you guys can agree on things. I tell clients all the time, your case will end in one of two ways. You either agree and you bring it to the judge, or you have the judge decide. If you keep that in mind, it is that simple. Sometimes people say, well, why is this going on so long? Why doesn't this just end? And I tell them all the time, it will end when you agree. So if you really want this over with, just give the other side everything they want. That may not be the right move because you may regret that later and you may have to come into court, try and undo that in the future. But if you want this case to be over with, you have to work on coming to an agreement. If you cannot agree, that's fine. Try to figure out the things that you can agree upon and then focus on only those disagreements and figure out, can we agree to disagree on these small items? And these items are already decided. The more you guys can agree upon, the faster and cheaper your case is going to be. But if you guys can't agree on everything, it is going to take a lot longer. And if you can agree on everything, depending upon where you're at, you may actually be able to avoid court altogether. So if you find yourself in a situation with a highly contested divorce, reach out. Don't wait, because you need to have good legal representation throughout this process. And my team is ready to help you through this process because you don't want to wait. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes for your team to catch up and ultimately create a plan to get you through it.